Hi, Sarah here with a quick haul video for you today. This is my PR package from Fab Planner Print. I will leave a link to the shop down below in the description, as well as the Facebook group, because at the moment there is 30% off in the Planner Boss collective sale, so there will be a code in the shop. So if you do want to get hold of that, then you need to go and join the Fab Planner Print Facebook group, and as well as that you will get freebies if you say that you're a member of the Fab Planner Print Facebook group. So without further ado, this is my PR package for this month. First off, I have this pocket. It's on a cream backing, that's why it looks cream at the moment, but it's actually just clear with a vinyl decal, however you pronounce it. I'll just show you here. So you can just stick it onto a dashboard, stick it into a TN to add an additional pocket, and you can choose different designs across the top, different colours for this bit here. So I have that. Next up I have a kit. This is a 6-page kit, this one. There are various different designs that you can get depending on what kind of planner you have. I'll just move this. The name of this kit is the Winter Dreams kit. So I'll just show you the pages that come in this one. So we have some deco boxes and some checklists down the side. More boxes and checklists down the side again. There's a beautiful muted wintry colours on this one. There's some scripty words at the top there, some functional stickers and some icon stickers as well here. Some deco half boxes there, so some quarter boxes, some flags and some trackers and bills. The header washi here is a marble effect thinner one, and then this Woolies thicker one there, and then there's some more functionals down the side and days of the week. And finally there's the cover stickers for days of the week here, some deco ones there, a weekend sticker, and some more. These are all single ones. I don't know if you can tell from the back. These are all the single size stickers like these ones here. So that is the first kit, and the second kit I have is called the Fairy Tale kit, and again it comes in various different kinds depending on what planner you own. If you are struggling with making stickers fit, then I do have a video on how I use different styles of planner kits and snip them and put them together again to make them fit into my particular planner, which is A5, so you can check them out in my other videos. So for this one we get lots of washi strips. There's this fairy one down the side. There's beautiful pastel tones on this one as well. These are new releases, by the way, as well. There's some icons there, some half boxes, some deco, and a little weekend sticker. And next we have these ombre deco boxes here, more washi down the side. These 3 check boxes and more, some bill due and trackers. And finally we have the date cover stickers here, some icons at the bottom, some more single sized stickers down the side there, and some deco stickers, more glittery washi down the side there. So that is that kit. So that is what I got this month, so stay tuned. I will be using these, probably this one will be this month. I'll be saving this one for December, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And don't forget to check out Fab Planner Print and get yourself 30% off in the sale. If you're missing the sale and you're watching this video at a different date, then use 10 Sarah, which I'll put across the screen now, to get 10% off your order. So thanks again for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!